Citroën has officially unveiled the 2025 Ami, a charming and eccentric electric microcar that embraces a bold new design while paying homage to the brand's iconic past. With its playful aesthetics, including distinctive bulging headlights and retro-inspired gills reminiscent of the classic 2CV, the new Ami is set to capture the hearts of urban commuters and design enthusiasts alike. At first glance, the 2025 Ami stands out with its eye-catching appearance. The new bulging eyes give the car a friendly and approachable character, setting it apart from the typical microcar offerings. This design choice not only enhances its personality but also improves visibility for drivers and pedestrians, reinforcing safety in crowded urban environments. The incorporation of 2CV-inspired gills on the sides adds a nostalgic touch, connecting the Ami to Citroën's rich heritage and its history of producing quirky and innovative vehicles. The Ami is designed with urban mobility in mind, reflecting the increasing demand for compact and efficient transportation solutions in congested cities. With a length of just 2.41 meters, about 7.9 feet, the Ami is agile enough to navigate narrow streets and tight parking spaces effortlessly. Its compact dimensions make it an ideal choice for city dwellers looking for an eco-friendly vehicle that doesn't compromise on style. Under the hood, the 2025 Ami continues to prioritize sustainability. It is powered by a modest electric motor, producing 8 horsepower, which may seem limited, but is perfectly suited for urban driving. With a top speed of 45 km per hour, about 28 miles per hour, the Ami is optimized for city use, providing an efficient and environmentally friendly alternative to traditional petrol-powered vehicles. The compact battery allows for a range of approximately 75 kilometers, about 47 miles, on a single charge, making it an ideal solution for short commutes and errands. Charging the Ami is convenient and straightforward, as it can be plugged into any standard household outlet. This ease of charging removes the barriers often associated with electric vehicles, making the Ami accessible to a broader audience. Whether parked at home or in public charging spots, owners can quickly recharge their vehicle, ensuring that it's ready for daily use. Inside, the 2025 Ami offers a surprisingly spacious and functional cabin. The design philosophy focuses on maximizing space while maintaining a playful and inviting atmosphere. The dashboard features a minimalist layout with intuitive controls, ensuring that drivers can focus on the road ahead without distractions. High-quality materials are used throughout the interior, enhancing the overall feel of the microcar. Despite its compact size, the Ami accommodates 2 passengers comfortably, with adequate headroom and legroom for short journeys. The rear seating area can also be adapted for cargo, providing added versatility for transporting everyday items. This practicality is a significant selling point for those who require a vehicle for running errands or commuting to work. Safety remains a priority for Citroën, and the Ami is equipped with essential safety features designed for urban driving. While it may not include advanced driver assistance systems found in larger vehicles, the Ami's compact size and agile handling contribute to a safe driving experience in city conditions. The car's sturdy construction and improved visibility further enhance occupant safety, making it a reliable option for urban mobility. The launch of the 2025 Citroën Ami represents a significant evolution for the microcar segment, blending quirky design with sustainable technology. Its unique styling, inspired by Citroën's storied past, makes it a statement piece on the road, attracting attention and admiration from onlookers. Citroën aims to appeal to a diverse range of consumers, from young urban professionals seeking an affordable and stylish mode of transport to environmentally conscious drivers looking for an electric alternative. The Ami's accessible price point further enhances its appeal, making it a practical choice for first-time car buyers and those seeking a secondary vehicle for city living. In conclusion, the 2025 Citroën Ami is a delightful fusion of innovative design and eco-friendly technology. With its bold appearance, compact size, and efficient electric powertrain, this microcar stands poised to redefine urban mobility. As cities continue to evolve and adapt to new transportation needs, the Ami represents a fun and sustainable option for drivers seeking a unique and practical solution to modern commuting challenges. As Citroën continues to innovate and expand its electric vehicle lineup, the Ami stands out as a testament to the brand's commitment to creativity and sustainability. With its funky design and charming personality, the 2025 Ami is not just a vehicle, it's a celebration of urban living and the joy of driving in the city.